Have you ever noticed how just a small sprinkle of the right natural mix can make a tired plant look ready to grow again? It almost feels like nature is quietly waking it up from beneath the soil. Faded leaves can slowly regain their color, weak stems may become firmer, and fresh new growth can begin to appear. Today, I'll show you a simple homemade plant booster using two common natural ingredients, and one powerful secret ingredient that makes the mix even more effective. And trust me, you don't want to miss the final step. First, pour 1 liter of water into a container. Add 1 spoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric helps support healthier soil, encourages stronger root development, and creates a cleaner environment around the roots. Stir it well until everything is nicely blended, so its natural benefits spread evenly through the water. Now add 1 spoon of cinnamon powder. Cinnamon helps discourage harmful fungi, and when combined with turmeric, these two ingredients work together to support healthier roots and stronger plant growth. Give it another good stir. Now, here comes the secret ingredient. Add 2 spoons of used coffee grounds. Coffee grounds help improve soil structure, add valuable organic matter, and slowly release nutrients that support greener leaves and healthier growth. Stir everything one final time until it is thoroughly mixed. Now, pour this natural fertilizer directly into the soil around your plants. As it reaches the root zone, it can help improve nutrient availability, support stronger roots, and encourage healthy new growth. Use this natural fertilizer once every 2 weeks for the best results. Sometimes plants don't need more fertilizer. They simply need the right natural support. So, give this simple natural mix a try and see how your plants respond. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.